This man spread Lebanese food around Brooklyn like hummus. Meet Edouard Massih.
I moved here, people would be like, what is that? I don't want to try that. Where now people are wanting to try things and are growing out of their shell.
Lebanese food wasn't always the staple it is now in New York, but Eddie was determined to change that.
When I was cooking at home during COVID, I ran out of ingredients that I needed and I couldn't buy them anywhere around. And that's how I came up with the idea. Started as a grocer and we had a to-go window and everything was to go. Then we started doing sit down inside and now we're doing dinner service and we're evolving.
And it's not just about food, it's about community.
I started doing these things called brown paper board, which is a big grazing table, and that's my way of, putting food on a big table and everybody comes around and grabs food from there, but they're talking to each other and they're like, have you tried this? Have you tried that? And it brings community around food.
His mission?
I'm just trying to spread the love of Lebanese food and the joy of Lebanese food. And so I think the impact is teaching people what our food is. And I think growing up here, you look at CNN, you look at all these different outlets, and it makes the Middle East always look so bad. And I think food is the way to make it look beautiful.
From hummus to community feasts, Edouard Massih is making sure Lebanese food is here to stay, right in the heart of Brooklyn.